Welcome to Zape Learning app.
Hello, little learners. Today, we will learn something fun, singular and plural. These words tell us if there is one thing or more than one. Let's learn together. When there is only one, we call it singular. Let's look. One cat, one apple, one shoe, one chair. All these words are singular, just one thing. When there is more than one, we call it plural. Let's see what happens when we have many. Cat becomes cats. Apple becomes apples. Shoe becomes shoes. Chair becomes chairs. We just add s at the end. Some plurals are special. They don't just add s. One child, many children. 1 foot, 2 feet. One mouse, many mice. These are different, but fun to learn. Let's look at them side by side. Singular means one. Plural means more than one. Can you see how the word changes? Time to practice. One ball, many balls. One pencil, many pencils. One box, many boxes. This one adds es. Great job. You did amazing today. Remember, singular means one. Plural means more than one. Sometimes we add s, sometimes es, and sometimes the word changes. Keep practicing. See you next time.
Smarter learning starts today. Download and subscribe to Zape Learning app now.